welcome back to our channel. I'm Heather.
And I'm Sarah.
And today is day 6 of the Advent calendar. It's going by quickly. It's been a lot of fun opening. So we will see what we got for today. And please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our unboxing. We are unboxing one every day until Christmas. And so far we've got a Gringotts ornament, a pair of socks, a pair of gloves with the Hogwarts crest on it, a Hufflepuff pin, Hufflepuff cup pin, there we go, and glow-in-the-dark stickers. So we will see what we've got today.
Yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, here's day 6. Ooh, it has a Slytherin snake and a Slytherin scarf. And of course it says Slytherin.
I'm curious to see if it's going to be something Slytherin.
I know, I wonder. Okay, I'm trying not to hurt this box.
You got it, okay.
Yes. Actually, you should look in it first because I opened the last one.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it's serious. It's a bookmark. Oh, and it moves.
Oh, it's a lenticular bookmark.
Oh, I did not know that word. Fun.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that is a really cool bookmark.
That is really cool.
It's a Sirius and then a close-up of Sirius. That's really cool. We'll give you a close-up too.
Sirius is a cool character, so he deserves a cool bookmark.
He does.
Alrighty, so that is day 6's gift, and we will see you tomorrow with day 7. Bye!